Hi everyone, today I want to share with you the recipe for this delicious mint chutney, which is a great source of vitamin A, and these sandwiches which are perfect for a picnic in the park or just in your backyard. Hey guys, so here are our basic ingredients for the chutneys. I have some coriander, some mint. With coriander in US, we use the stems. They have actually a lot of vitamin A and all the good stuff that's in the leaves is also in the stems. In India, we don't use the stems. We kind of only go for the leaves because they are the most luscious. But here we use everything. Even if you are not going to put them in your chutney, I would recommend that you save them and you can boil them up and then use that water in making other preparations. It's really nutritious. There is a green chili. This is kind of an optional ingredient. You can add it, you can completely skip it, or you can increase the quantity depending on how spicy you want your chutney to be. And then I have some coconut, freshly grated. Of course, in our case, it's fresh frozen. If you have the option, I would recommend getting the fresh one, and it should not have any of the weird coconutty scent that most coconut lotions have, because that's actually not a good coconut. A good fresh coconut would ideally be pretty neutral smelling. And I'm gonna use about this much of the coconut, and then you need some salt and about a pinch of sugar. I personally like my chutneys to have a slight bit of sweet taste to go with the taste of coconut, but again, sugar optional. And then I have a giant clove of garlic. This is the American garlic, you can say. For Indian terms, it would be about 2 or 3 of the tiny garlic cloves that we have there. So I'm gonna add everything to my grinder. I'm gonna add the greens farthest away from the blade because they grind pretty easily. Because I have the Ninja, for me the blade goes on top. And then I'm gonna add the harder to grind ingredients like the garlic and the chili, which I want ground really fine on top. Now I have added just a teeny tiny bit of water to it just to make the grinding easy. I'm going to add my salt and the sugar. Of course, we can adjust these afterwards after the chutney is made, so you don't have to be very accurate at this point, but it's good to have some while grinding so it gets incorporated pretty thoroughly. We need to grind it until smooth. As you can see, we need some more water.